Hey, what is up guys, welcome back to the FullHD. So finally the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro key specs is here. The 2021 upcoming OnePlus smartphone leaked render and images of OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro rumored to arrive in March revealed both smartphone will pack a punch hole display. Now we learn the punch hole in this pair will measure about 3.8 millimeter. This information come from a reliable tipster digital chat station on Vivo, who also revealed that the OnePlus 9 Pro will pack a 6.78-inch QHD plus 120 Hz screen, while corroborating a previous leak that claimed that the non-Pro OnePlus 9 will support a 6.55-inch Full HD plus 120 Hz flat display. As you can see on your screen, this is the latest leaked render images of the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro. Additional, the source said that the OnePlus 9 and 9 Pro will be 8mm and 8.5mm thick respectively, but neither will weigh more than 210 grams. Both smartphone will have a Snapdragon 888 SoC under the hood, and machine translation suggests that they will ship with a 4500 mAh battery, which will likely support a 65-volt wired charging. The Pro variant is said to feature a 45-volt wireless charging as well. So we expect that the upcoming OnePlus 9 Pro will have a 6.8 or 85-inch screen with a 1440p by 3168-inch pixel resolution screen, and it has a back 3 cameras, which is really good, and it is the latest Snapdragon 888 chipset with the latest Adreno GPU and some storage configuration. But let's see in upcoming days. Make sure to like this video and subscribe my channel for more tech videos. I'll catch you later in my next video. See you and bye.